What if the difference between staying broke forever and retiring a millionaire had nothing to do with how much you earn? Warren Buffett once said, "Do not save what is left after spending. Spend what is left after saving." Almost everyone does the opposite, and that one reversed habit decides who builds wealth and who never escapes the paycheck cycle. Let me show you through two people, same salary, same starting line, completely different endings. Jordan and Maya started the same job at 24, both earning $4,500 a month. Jordan believed money was meant to be enjoyed. New phone, new sneakers, weekend trips. Maya believed differently. The moment her paycheck landed, she moved money into investments first, before spending a single dollar. At first, nobody could tell the difference. Jordan looked like he was winning. Maya looked boring. Then came the raises. Jordan's salary jumped. So did his spending. A car loan, a bigger apartment. Every upgrade felt like proof of success. But Buffett warned about exactly this. If you buy things you do not need, you will soon have to sell things you do need. Jordan wasn't building wealth. He was building bills. Maya's raise came too. She didn't upgrade her life. She upgraded her investments. Same simple apartment, same routine. But her money was quietly doing something Jordan's never did, growing on its own. This is the part most people miss. Buffett called it the real secret. If you don't find a way to make money while you sleep, you will work until you die. Maya's money worked while she slept. Jordan's paycheck vanished before his next alarm. 10 years later, they ran into each other. Jordan, higher salary, same stress, still living paycheck to paycheck. Maya, same starting salary, but now with a six-figure portfolio, quietly paying her every month. Jordan asked how. Maya said, "I never let my paycheck decide how I lived. I decided first, then lived on what was left." That's the whole secret. Not luck, not a huge income, just one flipped habit, repeated for years. Buffett didn't get rich from a lucky stock tip. He got rich from decades of this one simple decision, made quietly, before anyone was watching. So ask yourself, are you more like Jordan or more like Maya? Tell me in the comments. And if this changed how you think about money, hit like and subscribe. Because next time, we break down the habit that turned a paper route kid into one of the richest men alive.